Hey everybody and welcome back, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to self-host n8n on your own site. So basically for this you're going to be needing n8n active subscription. You can see we have n8n account here and we can create different kind of automations. Let's just start a new project and I'm going to be selecting here, let's just say name it anything. um, let's just say self-host. And once you do that, let me just fix that. Okay, then you are going to be simply selecting in here your project members. If you do not want to do that, simply click on save, and our project is now started. We can simply create new workflows and different kind of stuff, create from scratch. And the second thing that you're going to be needing is Hostinga. So let's just head over to Hostinga. This is a hosting platform that you can use, and I'm going to be searching in here Hostinga. So make sure that you have an active subscription to this as well. You buy your domain and stuff like that to self-host your own n8n account. So this is going to be helping you to do it, and I hope this is going to be pretty easy for you guys. And you got the key point here. These are the two platforms that you need. First one is going to be your n8n, and then you need Hostinger. So since n8n is open source, it does offer this kind of service. To access n8n on discount, you can head over to the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.